Alright guys, it is the next day. I'm about to pull my car out and we're gonna see how good it looks out in the light. It's already getting dark outside, but it should be okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and we'll see what it looks like. Maybe go down the main street or something. Also, this is the first startup in a long time as well. This looks absolutely insane with the setup. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing is definitely on a cold start. I didn't even want to start up the first time I started it. But man, that is crazy looking. Wow. I cannot get over how good this thing looks. This thing looks so funny with the purple bash bar, gold front wheels, and then this OEM rear wheels. God, this thing is hilarious, dude. And it's running pretty rough. I need to go get some normal gas in this thing really badly. Dude, this thing is just ridiculous. Oh my God, I can't believe I did this. What have I done? I don't even know, man. I am speechless right now. I can't believe this is my first time taking the car out of the garage in weeks, and I have it like this. Wow. Had to get some gas first because I cannot run E85 anymore because the car does not like starting in the cold with E85. So we're getting that premium 93. Looks like it's already done. And I gotta retune the car now too. I am retuning it right now, and hopefully this goes smooth. I hooked up a battery charger up to it so it won't disconnect on me. Going back to stage 2 plus. All right, now I'm gonna somewhat put it back together. So all I'm gonna do is throw this bumper on. I'm not even gonna clip in the lights or anything for the, I don't even know, the daytime running lights. Not even gonna clip that in. All I'm gonna do is put this on real quick and bolt in like only like one of these, and maybe like one on both sides, and maybe a couple clips up here, and that's all I'm gonna do. Because I think I'm gonna drive down the main street, and when I get there, I'm gonna take my bumper off, then take pictures and throw it back on. So it's not like I'm technically driving without a bumper, because I just, you know, I drove to a spot, took it off really quick. It's am I gonna look ridiculous? Maybe. I literally just took my bumper off at Main Street. This thing looks so sick though. I guess I'm gonna throw the bumper on really fast and then keep going because I don't feel like driving without the bumper on. I can easily put it in the back seat probably, as I have no seats in the car, but I don't want to get a ticket for no bumper or something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.